I am sure if you went to church or Sunday school or kids church or mafundisho, whatever it is that you call it, you sang a song. It said, read your Bible, pray every day if you want to grow. Most of us are already grown men and women, but we still do not know how to read our Bibles. Why is that? Maybe hatukufundishwa, or maybe nobody showed us how. So that when you read it, it feels like, I'm just reading something. It has many names and places that I have never been to, probably will not ever go to. So what is the point? So I'd like to just share like 3 points. How do I read my Bible? So tushakwambia, if you are a Christian, you must read it every day. How do I do that? First, read it systematically. Read one book at a time, one chapter at a time, maybe even one passage at a time, but in the same book. Do not pick a Jeremiah here and changanya it with a Hosea there and an Isaiah there, because if you do that, you will be confused. But if you read it systematically, chapter by chapter, paragraph by paragraph, you will be able to understand the whole story. It's like when somebody starts telling you a story and then they stop and go to another subject. You, the listener, will get bored and tired. So, remember, read it systematically. Read it daily, of course, as the song suggests. But read it to identify context. What does that mean? It means it's like a TV program or a movie. There's a plot. You have to follow every bit to understand the plot, so that when the movie ends, you have understood the whole story. So read it to identify context. You are saying, who was the book written to? What was it trying to say? Who had a problem that needed to be addressed in form of a book? And even more importantly, what solution was offered? What was the solution? Because if you just present problem and no solution, it is tiring, it is off-putting. And most times, that's how we are preached to or preached at. You have a problem, but no solution. So, when you're reading it, read to find the solution. Yes. And then, finally, you are reading it continually. The more you read, the more you understand. The more you read, the more understanding comes to you. It's like when they were teaching you to write the alphabet. You didn't know they were teaching you the alphabet so that you could write sentences or tweets or things that you share with your friends. You were just wondering, peji tatu zimejaa, ni za nini? But when you got it, you got it. Some of us can spell, others cannot. It is just about consistency. And when you read, you pray. You ask God, He will show you what He wants you to see and bring understanding to you. Ni hayo tu.